Hello everyone, and welcome to the 2020-2021 induction ceremony for Beta 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 Biology Honor Society at Midwestern State University. My name is Madeline Slater, and on behalf of the entire officer staff, we are so excited to have you in this organization and cannot wait to see what you accomplish these next coming years. Due to the COVID-19 pandemic, we are unable to do this induction ceremony in person, but we want you to know how excited we are to have you in our organization. Without further ado, let's begin. Madam President and members of Beta Beta Beta, I present to you these candidates who declare their wish to join us in the Fellowship of Science as regular members of Beta Beta Beta. All have signified a true interest in the biological sciences. They have met the requirements of the Delta Mu chapter and of the National Constitution of Beta Beta Beta. The candidates are Jiminy Bleasdale, Alyssa Brown, Hunter Ordner, Grace Palmer, Anita Rosavi, Andrea Recipe, Alyssa Salinas, Sadita Saran, Najla Strait, and Kaylee Twilliger. Candidates, we will now explain to you the symbolism, history, and purposes of our society and the privileges and obligations of its members. First, to promote scholarship in the biological sciences. Second, to promote the dissemination of biological knowledge. And third, to encourage research. Beta Beta Beta, the Honor Society in the Biological Sciences, was founded in 1922 by Dr. Frank G. Brooks. This, the Delta Mu chapter, is one of many chapters located in colleges and universities throughout the United States and Puerto Rico. It is the chapter that has chosen you to receive the honor and distinction of membership. You, in turn, accept an obligation to this chapter and to all other chapters. If you wish to join the perpetuation of the ideals of Beta Beta Beta, you will take the following pledge. I hereby affirm that I will strive to promote and perpetuate the spirit and idealism of Beta Beta Beta. I will be true to its interest, mindful of its honor, and will help to accomplish its objectives. I will discharge faithfully my obligations to the Delta Mu chapter and to the society. Candidates, here are the key and the coat of arms of Beta Beta Beta. On the key, which is a common symbol of academic excellence, you will see 3 Greek letters, beta, 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 and a coiled serpent. The first beta stands for the Greek word balanos, which means acorn. It represents life in and on the ground. The second beta stands for the Greek word boudetase, which means little bird. It represents life in the air. The third beta stands for the Greek word boax, which means fish. It represents life in the water. All 3 words may be summed up in the one word bios, meaning life. In addition to the meaning I have just given, Beta 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 also represents our 3 purposes. 1, to promote scholarship in the biological sciences. 2, to promote the dissemination of biological knowledge, and 3, to encourage research. The coiled serpent in the center of the key is an ancient symbol of wisdom. This is the coat of arms. It shows the acorn, the bird, and the fish, representing life on the ground, in the air, and in the water. The knight's helmet signifies that the scientist is always ready to apply their abilities for the benefit of mankind. The skull reminds us that science, although greater than the life of any individual, depends on the contributions of individual scholars. The 2 light quarters of the shield represent truth known to us. The dark quarters represent truth still unknown. The diagonal golden band symbolizes the light and truths of science. As on the key, the serpent stands for wisdom. The colors of the society are red and green, blood red for zoology, and leaf green for botany. The flower is the red rose, symbol of beauty and strength. The motto is Blapian Basian Biu, which means to see the foundation of life. On behalf of the Delta Mu chapter and the society, I welcome you to full regular membership in Beta Beta Beta. Now, Madam President and members of Beta Beta Beta, I present to you these candidates for associate membership in Beta Beta Beta. All have signified a true interest in the biological sciences. They have met the requirements for associate membership of the Delta Mu chapter and of the National Constitution of Beta Beta Beta. The candidates are Luana Bond, Crew Jackson, and Lily Weiser. You appear before this group to be inducted as associate members of Beta Beta Beta. It is my responsibility as the inducting officer to tell you something about the history and purposes of this organization. Beta Beta Beta, the Honor Society in the Biological Sciences, was founded in 1922 by Dr. Frank G. Brooks. This, the Delta Mu chapter, is one of many chapters located in colleges and universities throughout the United States and Puerto Rico. By banding together in organizations such as this, scholars often can be of help to each other by pooling their information and by discussing their individual research problems with others whose interests are similar. Thus, the purpose of this society are to promote scholarship in the biological sciences, to further the dissemination of biological knowledge, and to encourage research. Having learned our aims and purposes, do you agree to adopt them as your own? Will you try to be a true colleague to each of the members of Tri Beta and to strive to attain the threefold purpose of our society by seeking greater knowledge in the field of biological science, by trying to increase proficiency in research, and by cheerfully and freely imparting to others the knowledge you have attained? If you so agree, please answer, I do. It is now my privilege to declare you to be associate members of the Delta Mu chapter of Beta Beta Beta, and I welcome you to our group. Congratulations to the 2020-2021 inductees. In the spirit of community, we have asked the new members to provide some information about themselves so that we can get to know one another. Our first new member is Alyssa Brown. Alyssa is a rising senior with a major in biology and a minor in chemistry from Wichita Falls, Texas. Her career goal includes planning on going to medical school and then a career as a pediatric endocrinologist. And Alyssa was born on New Year's Day in 2000, and her youngest sister was born on New Year's Day 2016. Alyssa, we are happy to have you. Our second inductee is Crew Jackson. Crew is a sophomore biology major here at MSU and is from Holiday, Texas. His career goals include pursuing a career in dentistry and joining his dad at their Wichita Falls practice. And Crew's fun fact is that he married his high school sweetheart at 18. Congratulations, Crew. Our next inductee is Hunter Ordner. Hunter is a sophomore chemistry major with a biology minor from Fort Worth, Texas. His career goals include being a family practitioner in rural Texas, and a fun fact about Hunter is that he played 3 years of high school football with a broken wrist. Congratulations, Hunter. Next up is Grace Palmer. Grace is a junior biology major from Fort Worth, Texas. She wants to work in a career related to environmental science, animal nutrition, or veterinary medical lab science. And a fun fact about Grace is that she did ballet for 8 years. Congratulations, Grace. Now we have Anita Rosavi, a junior chemistry major and biology minor from Wichita Falls, Texas. Anna hopes to practice in psychiatry one day and can speak Farsi well enough to communicate with family. Welcome to Tri Beta, Anna. Andrea Recipe is our next inductee. He's a junior chemistry and biology double major from Wichita Falls, Texas, and hopes to become a surgeon one day. Andrea's fun fact is that he actually does not have a specific hometown due to moving and living in various locations while growing up. Congratulations, Andrea. Next up, we have Alyssa Salinas, a junior biology major earning a minor in psychology from Wichita Falls, Texas. Her career goal includes becoming a physical therapist, and Alyssa plays for the women's soccer team here at MSU. Congratulations, Alyssa. Kaylee Twilliger is our next inductee. She is a junior biology major and chemistry minor from Holiday, Texas. Her career goal includes becoming a pediatrician, and Kaylee is the historian for Tri Beta for the 21-22 school year. Congratulations, Kaylee. Our last inductee is Lily Weiser. She is a junior biology major with a chemistry minor from Hurst, Texas, and hopes to become a forensic science after her time at MSU. The fun fact about Lily is that her joints are hypermobile. Congratulations, Lily. Congratulations, inductees. On behalf of the officers in the Delta Mu chapter, we are proud to have you in this organization. We are so excited for the next year and can't wait to see how you grow individually as students and what you can contribute to the biological sciences. Have a great summer break. We can't wait to see you in the fall.